welcome back, guys. In this video, we're going to go through how to download, install, and use the video on demand application called MYTV Flix. So essentially, MYTV Flix is a video on demand service that has over 50,000 movie and TV shows. Everything's one click. It plays in ultra clear HD. And it's very easy to use and search for different titles. All right, so let's get to how to install it. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we'll go over to go to Filelinked. So we're going to go to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options. We're going to make sure both of these are turned on, which they should be. The next thing we're going to do is go to Applications. But if you have not downloaded the Filelinked application on your device, please follow the previous video on how to download Filelinked. You'll need Filelinked before you install the MYTV Flix application on any device. So we already have it installed, so we'll go over to Applications, Manage Installed Applications. We're going to open up Filelinked, so we'll just click on it. Next, we're going to go to Launch Application. All right. We'll put in our code, which is 10382330. And I'll pause for a minute just so you guys can have time to make sure that's either already in or to put it in. All right. Once it's in, you'll go to Continue. Okay, we'll give this a second to load. All right, we'll go, if you see a pop-up, just hit dismiss. Next, we'll go to MYTV Flix. All right, that's finished. Then we'll click it again to install it. And once it finishes, we'll hit done. All right, go ahead and click done because it finished. Next, we're going to hit the home button on our remote. Just a quick tutorial of the buttons on your remote. This is the center button right here. And it also allows you to go left to right, up and down. This is the voice button, and you'll hold it down while talking, but only when you see the keyboard and are prompted to. This is the back button, this is the home button, and this is the menu button right here with the 3 horizontal lines. All right, so we'll go ahead and hit the home button on our remote. Takes us back to the home screen. We'll scroll down to your apps and channels. We'll either go over to the left, or if you don't have that many apps installed, you'll go all the way to the right. But basically what you're looking for is this that says See All under your apps and channels. So we see that. The thing that we're going to do, we're going to pin the apps to the front. So it'll actually look different on yours, but it'll be whatever the last 2 apps were, or the last app. So we'll just right click, we'll hit the menu button and then move to front. And we'll hit the menu button and move to the front again. And then hit the home button. And there we go. So we have MYTV and MYTV Flix. On yours, that's what should appear. On mine, it says something different because I had a similar app already installed, but on yours, you'll see these 2 apps and you'll have the option to using the menu to move it to the front. So basically what we wanted to do was pin it to the front menu, which I'll hit the home button. So you'll see it right there. So this one's recent. And then it also has your apps and your channels. It'll be the first 2 no matter what, because this is always going to change, but you want it to pin it to the front to make it easy for you to access it when you utilize your device. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to be looking at MYTV Flix. So I'll go ahead and click the center button once it's highlighted. we're going to click allow. All right, if you see this, at any time, just hit the back button. I've disabled updates, and it updates on its own in the background, so no worries there. So we'll just hit the back button. All right, quick tutorial on how this works. So it moves from left to right, so we'll just go to the right. These are the most streamed movies now. So these are movies that the most people are watching. So I'll go ahead and click the center button, and it gives me the entire list of what people are watching right now. All right, so I'll hit the back button, and it brings me back to this screen. I can just keep going over. Recently added, popular TV shows, trending TV shows, and actors, top actors. So we could click on that, it just brings up a list of actors. All right. All right, so we're gonna start at the top. So the top left, this button is now highlighted on the top left is called the search button. So if I click that, it brings me to the screen right here, and it gives us a variety of options on what we can do. So for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna run through a couple different searches. So we can search by movie. So let's see, what movie do I want to pick? So I'll click the center button to bring up the keyboard. If you have the voice function on your remote, and the only time you can use this is when you see this virtual keyboard that pops up, and you see at the bottom, it prompts you press and hold the microphone to say words and phrases. So instead of typing it out, I'm going to utilize that function. Friday. All right. So Friday came up. I'll hit next. All right, and it has movies with the word Friday in the title. So I'll just click. All right. So it has some different ones highlighted. So I'll just click the first Friday. All right, so when you click on a movie or TV show, it brings up this screen right here. If I wanted to favorite it, I would just click this, and it added it to my favorites. Click it again, it'll remove it. The icon is for information, so let's click on it. It gives me information on the movie, how long it is, synopsis. If I go over and you see where it says watch trailer, that's highlighted right now. I click that, it'll play the trailer for the movie. All right, I'm gonna hit the back button, and I'll hit the back button again. All right, if I wanted to watch it right now, obviously I'll just click that and it'll play the movie. Just some note, each movie on here, it takes between 10 and 45 seconds to load. So just some movies, it takes a little bit longer, so just be patient with it, but it shouldn't take any longer than about 45 seconds. So we have similar. So they're saying that these are similar movies. It has recommendations of other movies you can watch that are somewhat similar to this. It has a cast and crew, which is right there. So that's pretty good. So let's say after looking at this, I was like, oh man, I really enjoyed the movie. I would love to see more Chris Tucker movies. So if you see him in the cast, you'll just click his name, and it brings up every movie that he has, as well as, so we got tons of movies, and then it has TV shows as well. You see how it's highlighting movies right now. So I just scroll over to TV shows, and it has a couple of the TV shows that he was in as well. All right. So let's say if it was actually wanted to play the movie, I'll just clicked on Friday, and I'll click watch now just to show you guys how long it takes to pop up. So this one was a little bit quicker than the normal ones, but it just played right away without any issue. All right, so it's playing without issue. We'll hit the back button. All right, it stopped it. Let me bring that back up again. There was one additional thing I wanted to show you guys in as far as options for the movie. So it's on this screen right now. So to bring this menu back up, you would just, if it disappeared, you would just hit the center button. Okay, like I just did, it brought it back up. I can rewind it 15 seconds. You see how that's highlighted in the bottom left? I can pause it, which I just did. I can fast forward it 15 seconds. I could, this messes with the aspect. I believe this is for subtitles, which I'm not gonna mess around with that. On this one right here, it has, you can change the stream. So I'll click that just to show you. So sometimes it'll have a better, all the movies autoplay within this application, but sometimes it'll have a better stream available for you, and you can select that. I would not select this one because it'll start downloading the movie, and downloading movies is illegal and could get you in some trouble. So we don't want to do that. And that's pretty much it. These other options aren't, they're really obsolete for the purpose of streaming. All right, so I'll hit the back button. I'll hit it a couple times. Let's see, let's go back to the search option, and let's say we're looking for a TV show. We're gonna do a TV show next. So you see the cursor blinking on the section we wanna go into, so that's good. We'll click the center button. It brings up this keyboard, and we'll say the show. P-Valley. So we'll just hit next. Brings up P-Valley, so we'll just hit next again. And the cool thing about this is, so if it had multiple seasons, you'll just highlight the seasons you want to watch and toggle on that. And then it has the episodes, same thing, where it has similar recommendations, cast and crew. Let's see how long this takes to play. So like I said, stated before, it's usually between 10 and 45 seconds. So I think we're probably at about 10 seconds now, so we'll just wait. Okay, so that was pretty quick again. So it's really dependent upon your internet, and depending upon your internet and your device that you're using. So that's working without any issue. And we'll go back. All right. So this MYTV Flix just takes you back to the main menu. This pop-up came up. So remember, when you see this, just hit the back button as it updates on its own. And because we clicked on 2 shows, it'll have those in your recent, so you can kind of pick up and watch that. Let's see, watch section. It has movies and shows that we clicked on. We don't have any favorites, but if we did, they would appear here. And just remember how everything is categorized by movies and shows. So you see I'm toggling back and forth between those. Click on genres. It just helps you with your search. So if we're looking for comedy TV shows, I'll just click that. Then all of them come up. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's the app in a nutshell. Pretty much anything you can think of is on here. I'll just do some random ones just to kind of show you. What did I see the other day? It was No Limit Chronicles. I saw that come on the other day. So I'm just gonna type in No Limit. Let's see if they have that actually on here. It's been really difficult for me to not find anything that was on here. Oh, there we go. No Limit Chronicles. It doesn't look like it has the cover art for it, but that's all right. All right. Let's see how long it takes for this to play. As, oh, there we go. Pretty quick again. And look at that perfect HD quality. Can't even, same quality that it showed as. You never have to worry about buffering movies or anything else. Let me stop this before I get a copyright. But that's it, guys. That's the MYTV Flix in a nutshell. It's an amazing application. If you guys want to try it out, please feel free to contact whoever you purchased the service from. But amazing application. It's ready for you guys to use. Thanks again for your business, and I hope you have a good day.